is it gotta be in the water?
Oh my God.
This is the third time that went in the water.
Yeah.
Oh.
That was kind of one of those movie moments where you're hanging, but
That was my fault. I was just right there. Ah, bitch.
yeah.
Still a good skate day, right?